Let's explore the world of advanced wood processing technology, where the true power of machinery is on full display. Let's go! Our journey begins right here, with the legendary Groeneveld stump cutter. This isn't just an ordinary machine, it's the ultimate tool, born to conquer the toughest tree stumps. The engine roars to life, a powerful sound marking the beginning of an extraordinary performance. Hard wood and stubborn roots are handled with astonishing ease. Wood chips burst out like fireworks, yet remain perfectly controlled, showcasing the machine's precision engineering. It digs deeper and deeper, slowly turning that unyielding stump into fine dust and wood shavings. Behold the SVL95, the true beast of the job site. Its impact is terrifying yet unfolds with unbelievable speed. Solid tree trunks aren't just cut, they're crushed into tiny fragments. The SVL95 obliterates trees effortlessly, as if they were nothing more than toothpicks. We're witnessing a spectacular coordination between two powerful machines. First up is the forestry crane, its mighty engine roaring as it effortlessly lifts a massive tree trunk weighing several tons. At the same time, look over here. The conewood splitter mounted on a trailer is in full force. Its engine delivers impressive horsepower, every bit as fierce. The sharp splitter drives straight into the center of a large oak tree. Without hesitation, the tough oak splits cleanly into two perfect halves. The separation happens swiftly and decisively, maximizing work efficiency to the fullest. Both machines are showcasing astonishing power and precision. This is the pinnacle of forestry technology. Behold the destructive duo of the forestry world, Rot H11 and Rot H21D. They're operating on treacherous terrain, a stage so tough that ordinary machinery would give up. The Rot H11 advances, its specially designed frame allowing it to glide effortlessly over every obstacle. Its reinforced steel grapple extends, gripping the target tree tightly. The high-speed saw roars, slicing through the trunk with absolute precision. Meanwhile, the Rot H21D, the powerful harvester, takes action. Agile and efficient, it collects and processes other tree trunks with ease. We're witnessing an extremely daring performance at dizzying heights. If you fear heights, this scene will surely take your breath away. The lumberjack hovers high above, gripping the chainsaw tightly, its powerful engine delivering impressive horsepower. This is work that demands nerves of steel and absolute precision. The chainsaw roars, its fierce sound echoing through the air. The sharp blade bites into the massive tree trunk at the most challenging angle. The chainsaw slices through the tough wood core in an instant. The cut section falls, a massive weight plunging to the ground with terrifying speed. Every cut is a challenge, a dangerous, high-stakes act. Yet the worker's skill and the machine's power handle the timber swiftly and efficiently. Before us lies the ultimate challenge, a brutal swamp and a deadly rocky slope. This is the stage to test the true power of the legendary Ural, the iconic logging and swamp truck. Can it conquer this trial? Its massive wheels, specially engineered for extreme terrain, begin to spin. Mud splashes violently as water and earth seem to be torn apart by an invisible force. Feast your eyes on the Dorn TCG GmbH, the terrifying cone wood splitter. It's known as the paper shredder of the timber industry, and you're about to see why. The reinforced steel cone, sharp as a giant drill bit, begins to spin. A massive log, seemingly unsplittable, is placed into position. The splitter drives in pure pressure unleashed. The wood tears apart, cracking cleanly along its grain with a sharp, thunderous snap. Behold this overwhelming spectacle. Before us stands the super heavy logging tractor, a steel titan. Its powerful engine delivers impressive horsepower, built to conquer colossal loads. Thick steel cables are attached to a massive log weighing tens of tons. The tractor begins to pull, its sheer force making the ground tremble. The giant log moves effortlessly, as if it were nothing more than a toy. This is a custom stump splitter, a one-of-a-kind machine with a mighty engine and incredible horsepower. The excavator advances, its reinforced steel grapple extending. With skill and precision, it lifts a massive stump weighing several tons and positions it securely on the splitter. The machine's enormous splitting cone begins to spin, unleashing unstoppable force. It drives into the stump with a terrifying crack that tears through the air. Hard wood and stubborn roots are crushed into small fragments. What an incredible journey, witnessing the power, might, and astonishing precision of the most formidable machines. We've seen advanced technology turn the toughest tasks into moments of astonishing ease. If you're fascinated by these challenging and daring jobs, where machinery takes center stage as steel heroes, don't forget, hit the like button now to support us. Or subscribe to our channel to join the community of superior machine enthusiasts. Don't miss the thrilling and spectacular experiences we have in store next. Here's the moment we've been waiting for. The Holzforma G888 is operating at full power. I'm holding this chainsaw, boasting a powerful engine and astonishing horsepower. The target is a solid oak log, a serious challenge for any tool. The saw roars, its mighty engine echoing through the air. The sharp blade bites into the wood, beginning its masterful cutting work. Each cut slices through the oak trunk decisively and powerfully. No jams, no hesitation, only absolute precision. We are witnessing the KRAZ, a monstrous off-road truck built to push every limit. This is a powerful machine, equipped with a mighty engine and staggering horsepower. It's loaded with tons of timber, a colossal weight that ordinary trucks can only dream of. The KRAZ begins to roll, tackling the roughest, most challenging terrain. Deep pits, mud, and large earth mounds don't faze it. Even under the harshest conditions, the truck moves with impressive smoothness. We're high up in the mountains, with a vertical GoPro view, watching the Platte Ravine logging machine slide downhill. This isn't a path, it's a deadly slope, an unpredictable and dangerous challenge. This colossal machine packs a powerful engine and immense horsepower, but such power comes with extreme risk. The driver, a master with years of experience, controls every millimeter of movement. The vehicle hurtles down the rugged, rocky slope at breakneck speed. The thrill is palpable. Just one tiny miscalculation, one slight deviation, could put the machine in grave danger. Introducing the Dipperfox SC600 mounted on the ASVR T75 HD, an unbeatable combination. Before it stands a 15-inch oak stump, tough as steel, seemingly impossible to penetrate. But nothing can withstand this sheer power. Its superior performance is undeniable as the stubborn stump disintegrates into fine dust. A towering old tree is being cut down by an inexperienced worker. The miscalculation is obvious. The tree begins to tilt, not toward the safe direction, but straight toward the house below. Then comes the horrifying crack, as the massive weight of the tree comes crashing down. This is the Motorman 160 horsepower Bihor, the articulated forestry tractor we've all been waiting for. It stands as a symbol of power and extraordinary maneuverability. The 160 horsepower engine roars to life, its mighty sound echoing through the deep forest. Its robust design inspires absolute confidence. The machine begins to move, venturing into the toughest terrains. Mud, steep slopes, and jagged stumps all are effortlessly conquered by its massive tracks. We are witnessing a historic event, felling a colossal 300-year-old oak stump. This is not just an ancient tree, it's a legacy, an ultimate challenge for any machine. And here is our weapon, a powerful chainsaw, its engine and horsepower breathtakingly impressive. The lumberjack, a seasoned warrior, grips this mighty machine firmly. The roar of the engine shreds the tranquil forest air. The sharp blade bites into the tough bark of the ancient oak. Each cut glides through the trunk with unwavering precision. The machine powers through, sending wood chips flying like a storm. This is the Tigercat 1075B, a colossal logging giant with a powerful engine and impressive horsepower. But even a mighty machine faces its limits. It's stuck deep in a treacherous mud pit, a deadly trap. Can it escape on its own? The enormous wheels begin to spin, seeking traction. The engine roars, a desperate growl reflecting its struggle. Mud flies everywhere, yet the machine sinks deeper, swallowed bit by bit. Superior power seems meaningless against the absolute resistance of the muck. A formidable challenge, proving that danger is always lurking. This is the Arges VZ750D, a wood shredder rightly called a true beast. It boasts a powerful engine with exceptional horsepower, ready for this overwhelming performance. A large, sturdy log is fed into the shredder's massive mouth. The reinforced steel blades begin to spin, slow but full of force. Contact is made. And then, crash. No resistance matters. The log is shredded into wood chips in the blink of an eye.